Hello guys, welcome to Programming Bro. I am RK. In this section we are going to modify our Python program. So let's open our Termux application. Then I'm going to do ls here. We have main.py here. First I'm going to copy this main.py to just here only. What we get and are the same file, yes, but I'm going to save this file to storage here, storage. What we permission denied. Oh, Termux, I think I have made the give the permission. Can't create regular file storage main.py, permission denied. Just leave this thing now. I'm going to clear my CLEAR clear. Now just do ls here. I'm going to open my nano editor, main.py here. First main.py, I'm going to make it 2 here. Now just I'm going to I want dark theme and word wrap, then close, then number, then I want it mouse touch, then what I want now these things are basic for me now. So I'll open this file. I'm going to save this now. Let's do ls here. Why we not created? I'm going to add just ls here now. For now, just now we're going to do ls here. Yes, we get main. Now I'm going to open main.py in nano only. Now I'm going to copy everything here. Alt K for is get cut. Is get copied. Now I'm going to cut this thing. Now I'm going to open my main.py to sorry for make it paste here. Current file is it is very I'm going to make some changes, so wait. Welcome back guys. I had made some changes here, so just do. I'm going to add auto indent also. Just make this thing we had made. I had copy pasted this everything in this file. Now just I'm going to make it. What can I make? First thing I'm going to change my this to only. I'm going to cut this file now. Just save this thing now. Now but I am going to check the extension of file now here. So I'm going to make it extension. I'm going to split it by dot, so you can do it. I'm going to make split it by 4. I'm going to make it a variable here to split it. X. I'm going to make X like extension. X, yeah. I'm going to make E only here. Now what will be extension here? I'm going to make it, I think it is a split. There is a function I think called split here. No, otherwise we're going to make Google search here now. So just add the parameter here, another from which you want to add. I don't know from where we have to. First we have to give the string. I think string name should be file name. I think file name, then just file name here. First thing I'm going to comment this everything here. Just comment this thing everything here. All text here. Now we're going to run my Python program. I think html1.html. I'm going to make the file. We get an error. Now we're going to check how it's going to. I think I had made a mistake here because split. I think there is no e in split here. I'm going to make it split. Then I'm going to print my e here. E and index number should be 1 because we're checking the next extension, so we are checking this thing. Just run the file now. html2.html here. We get an error again. List index out of range. What we made the I'm making very mistakes here because I have to split the string with dot here. So I'm going to make it again html3.html here now. I think it's gonna work. Is working now. Just we have to make it now something here, like we are going to add a if else and conditions here. So I'm going to check this thing and cut. What happens? We have to select this thing and cut this thing. It's not affecting. I think I have to add del. It's not working. Just leave this now. I'm going to cut it manually. Just I'm going to add if condition here. If we are not going to add it dot, I'm going to split it by hash underscore. So I'm just targeting the next second element here. So I'm going to add a semicolon, then tab, then tab, just tab. I'm going to make some zoom out here. I think it is clear now. Now we're going to add if e is equal to what? Is equal to html. We're just making it css now. After css, then we're going to change our directory here. To which directory you are changing? I'm just make os.chdr, then just add the path in css folder. Now we had checked the condition. If we write tude9_css, then it's going to in css file, I think x. Now I'm going to run the file now. First I'm going to cut this thing now. Oh, what the hell is that? I'm going to make it print here. What if it is working or not? Print os dot cwd. I think it is the function. Now we're going to save this thing and I'm going to run. I'm going to make html 4 underscore underscore css dot html. It's not get anything. Why? I think I have not saved it. I had saved the file. So underscore css. First thing I'm going to print e here to know what is happening here. So just do it alt x run python html5 underscore css dot html css dot html. Oh, so it's making it as css dot html. It's taking as css dot html. It's not taking css only. So we have to remove this thing also. To remove this thing, I'm going to split again here. Again, I'm going to split it by what we are going to make it. Folder. I'm going to make it folder name. Here. Now just here we're going to make another variable called e. Then in this e we're going to make, we are just what we are going to do now, we are going to split name folder name, split by what I'm going to split it by dot here, and I'm going to take 0th index of it. Now just check it's working or not. I'm going to make it html6 underscore css dot html here. Oh sorry, I had made a mistake here. I have to add a dot here, but I had added comma. Just I'm going to make html8 now underscore css then dot html here. str object has no attribute. Supply is making me many mistakes here. I don't like to make mistake, but what can I do? It's getting. Now I'm going to make it html9 underscore css dot html here now. html os dot has no attribute pwd thing present working directory. I think is make very difficult to understand because in PHP there is cwd. I think is work or not, I don't know. Just I'm going to make it simple, so I'm going to make it a underscore css dot html pwd. We not have attribute called pwd. Why? I'm just going to copy from here get cwd. It is get cwd. Sorry for my mistake. Then just I'm going to make it b underscore css dot. I had not got. Oh, what the hell is this? underscore css. I'm going to this thing now we're going to cut this thing. Why is not getting cut? I'm going to do all day here. I'm going to run this file again. Just I'm going to make b underscore css dot html here. Dot html. Oh, we are now in css folder. So now what we can do here, same thing we're going to apply in JavaScript. JS we're going to add I'm going to alt K alt Q and just come here. Just alt U I think. Same thing, just add else if, not elif, sorry elif, because we are working in many things here. I'm working many other programming languages, so I'm getting confused sometime. So just make this uncomment here. Just uncomment. Where does we made it? We have uncommented this thing. We are going to cut from here also. Write this file here. I'm going to we have just made it this thing here. Now what can we do again? What we can do more here? We had just added if else in if else, means nested if else here. Just we had used nested if else here. You can use multiple, but here we have to add some otherwise it's not gonna work. I think just file is created, then it's going to run this server, otherwise it's not going to run this server. It's going to get hash steps here, but I'm going to make it JS and many more things. Now our work has done here. What can we do here now? I'm just thinking what features we can add here now. Just I think last I had not added HTML tag here, I think at last. So it's making an HTML. I had not made this thing yet more. Now we're going to make it very simple here using many more things. What can we use? Just I'm making it here only. Just I'm going to save this file and wait for the next video. I had completed my project here. Now bye bye, goodbye. Let's meet in next video.